If you wish to refund someone who scratched after the draws were created, you will need to get these out of the Draws menu. Navigate to the Draws menu, and click on the draw you wish to get scratched people from, to give a refund. Scroll to the bottom and take note of who has scratched, as all scratched nominations will be sent to the Reports tab. Scroll back to the top of the draw, and click the red Refund button. This will come up with a placard asking if you wish to refund full amount or retain stock Levi. Notice it doesn't give you the option to retain full amount, as that is what it would automatically do if you didn't pull them from the draw. These refunds will now be back in your Reports tab. Repeat the process in the instructional videos on how to change refund types and download an RBAR file.